Watch me use dollar cost averaging to exit green on a red trade. Hello and welcome back. I'm Dr. Bo with Ready, Set, Grow. On this channel, my goal is to share tips to help you on your financial and trading journey. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Leave a comment below saying you subscribed for a chance to enter our next giveaway. Also check the description for some valuable resources. I posted this in my server today. Trading is not about being right. You find a setup that meets your criteria, you take the trade, it works or it doesn't. That's it. That's what you see me doing each time. I'm looking to see if the trade meets my criteria, then I get in. That's it. All right, and we are open. Let's go ahead and start running some scans on the daily time frame. I am running to see if any squeezes have fired on the regular squeeze, and I'm running a scan to see if anything has fired on the Squeeze Pro. And then I go ahead and look to see if we have any alignment. So I see that Disney fired long and it has alignment. Histograms are bullish. When I see a yellow histogram, that's actually a bullish indication. So far I like Disney. SPGI fired long. Okay, so I see two. I'm going to give it a moment because I hate taking trades as soon as the market opens. Okay, I've given it a few minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and take a trade on Disney. If it pulls back, I'll just add more. I am down a bit right now, so let's see. I ended up with 5 contracts. Okay, so I got into Disney originally at 5 contracts. It pulled back significantly, so I went ahead and added some more contracts so that I can lower my dollar cost average. I'm in about 15 contracts and I'm actually down quite a bit. So I'm going to hang on to it and see what happens. Okay, so my Disney trade has just gone green. I'm up about 5-6% right now, so let's see what happens. 7%. It has been struggling with holding this 185 level, so going to see if it keeps going. Okay, Disney has been a hot mess today. It dipped significantly, and I am finally back green. I'm going to go ahead and get ready to close this trade because it has been a mess today. And here it is finally popping up. I am setting my closing order. I bet as soon as I close it, it's going to go up. So I did end up closing Disney green. Thank you for trading with me. See you next time.